Hello again, YouTubers, fellow pyros. Thought I'd make a little video of my firecrackers. Got a pretty good stash going here, so thank you for everybody who looked in my New Year's Eve videos, my stash. Sorry I didn't get any demos, but when you're lighting them off and you don't really think about videos. So here's a little firecracker stash video for 2016. So here we go. I don't know what this is. Super firecrackers. Got it in a box of random stuff. A little 16er. Texas Loud Snaps. You guys know what these are. And basically the red fuseless snap pops. Actually got a pretty good pop to them. This is a TNT ground blaster. I haven't had a chance to light one. Don't know how good or how bad it is. So maybe I can do a demo of those later at some point in time. I got 4 of those. So safe and sane on them, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. And everybody knows these little dynamites. There's a couple missing out of there. There's a brand new pack here. 2 of those. And then I got 3 bricks of crackling balls. Yep, fun, whatever. Crackling balls. And I got 2 of these 36-piece super silver flash. I actually lit one off on New Year's Eve. Wasn't as bad as I was thinking they were gonna be. So got 2 of those. I know this really isn't a firecracker, but they're jumping jacks. Now they don't really crack, but whatever. I got 2 of them, 2 half bricks, or whatever you want to call these. Then I got these 50 strips, Red Devil super firecrackers. I can see you guys talking about crimped crackers. They look crimped to me, so don't know if they're going to be better than most, but I got 16 or 18 of them. All 50s, and then I got same thing in 100 strips. Yeah, same thing where they're crimped. And then I got these Beast Crackers by Great Grizzly. Big 200 strip. Funny thing is, those are crimped too, if you can see that. No, I don't know if they're going to be better than non-crimped or clay plugged, whatever. Then I got this Black Cat Celebration Cracker. It's 1,388 with the 388 head bomb right here in the middle. I haven't had a chance to light it, obviously, but my buddy who sold it to me said it was pretty badass, especially when it hits that head bomb in the middle. So looking forward to that here. Maybe this coming 4th of July. I'll try to get a demo of that. Then I got 500 roll class crackers. Haven't really messed with class crackers, but it's 500 roll, so how bad could it be? Then I got these happy endings. I've got 5 of them. These are, these are actually louder than Cobra crackers or Mama crackers. They're freaking badass. So if you guys see these somewhere at your local stand, I would definitely snatch them up because these things are pretty awesome. And then I got my Mama crackers. Did a couple on New Year's Eve this year. Pretty nice. And then I got 5 Cobra crackers left. Sad day. That's all I got. Trying to find some more. Where I live, they're kind of hard to come by. And then I got 4 triangles. They're pretty big. I have not lit one of these yet, but from what I heard, they're going to be pretty amazing. I will try to get a demo of that to you guys too. My Sammy's Best. I know you guys, it's not a firecracker, but gotta love Sammy's Best. And then in here, I've made, these are filled with flash, about 20 grams of flash in there. And I made 3 of those. This has got 15 grams of flash in it, and this has got 25 grams of flash in it. I epoxied the ends. See that? I haven't had a chance to light it yet, obviously. And then I do, I'll try to demo that for you. And then I made, this is black powder in here. This one's flash, about 5-6 grams in each of those. And I got my bricks here. I got, let's see, I got 2 bricks of, get the glare off of there, cutting edge Firecrackers, 2100s in there. I got a brick of zebras, 2100s in there, wherever it's at, somewhere in there. Get the glare off of there. There we go. And I got 2 bricks, 2100 class crackers. 2 bricks. Well, that's my Firecracker stash. Hope you guys enjoyed. Try to be getting some more before the 4th of July. It's an addiction, so thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for everybody who subscribed to my channel. Appreciate it. And I'll see you soon.